Welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys what I got in my March 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And I will also be trying out some of the products or swatching some of the products to see how they look. So this is they all come in with a bag or like a little, I don't know, like a little zipper kind of bag. So because I got the plus, I get a little sack. It says March 2021 Stronger Together, and then here's the insert. So this is what the insert looks like. And on the back it has some writing as well. If you want to see what it says, just pause the video or rewind the video back. Oh, sorry. So look, this is what it looks like on the inside of the bag. And this is the stuff we got. We're gonna go through it together. The MOTD Cosmetics makeup brushes, or eye set brush. This is what it looks like. They feel good. They feel in the hand, they feel like Morphe brushes, but just not heavy, because Morphe brushes have some weight to them. Okay, so the next thing we have is this Violet Voss 6-color eyeshadow Impress pigment palette, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is Silk. This is Coral Pop. This is Pretty in Peach. This is that's Pretty in Peach. That's Champagne. This is Teddy. And this is Chocolate. So this is the next thing we have is the Forsali Skin Tune Blur Perfecting Primer Serum. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is a primer. I'm thinking use with or without makeup. Oh, okay. So we're gonna try this on. I hope I'm not putting too much on, but let's see. This feels really good. Like this, you could really wear this without any makeup. And it smells pretty good. It doesn't really have like a smell. Doesn't really have a smell. Like my face feels really soft and nice. Like, okay, I like this. We have the Half Cake Totally Tubular Mascara. So this is what it looks like, the packaging. I love the color of this. This is right on time for spring. We're gonna try it out. I haven't curled my eyelashes or anything, so we'll just see what difference would it make. The wand on this mascara reminds me of Bad Gal Bang. cool. I mean, it's mascara. Can't never have too much mascara. And then we have Florence by Mills Glow Yeah Lip Oil. This is what the packaging looks like. And this is what the lip oil looks like. So we're gonna try this out. It doesn't say a shade. So I guess it's like a universal shade. Was my lips really that ashy? Oh, they were. I like how this feels. Ooh, real moisturizing. I like this. I've never had a lip oil before. This is good. Okay, so the next thing we have is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Full Coverage Concealer. This packaging is really, really cute. It feels matte or like a embossed matte kind of design. It's nice. I can tell that this is too light. It looks like it'll be too light. No? I like this. Okay. So this is the Dose of Colors concealer in 24 Dark. I'm gonna compare it to my Born This Way. I use this all the time, so let's see. This is the Dose of Colors 24 Dark Concealer right here. And this is the Too Faced Born This Way Chestnut. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it helped you make your decision if you were thinking about getting an Ipsy Glam bag subscription. I would say do it because, I mean, why not? You get to try new stuff every month for a fraction of the price to see if you like it or not. So I hope you guys like this video. If you want to try it out, you can hit the link in the description box below so you can get your own subscription and just try it out for a month, see if you like it or not. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new upload. Till the next video, you guys, stay blessed, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love ya.